Welcome back to Critical Path. In this video, I'm going to show network analysis. We're going to explore the network analysis interface. So here we are on the landing page, and you can select the network analysis interface by clicking the menu on the left-hand side or the icon underneath the project on the right-hand side that looks like a little network. I'm going to select the menu item. So the interface loads, and this interface looks similar to the scenario planning with a few key differences. You have the main project area, which is the same. We don't have the tree on the right-hand side. Instead, we have a tagging area, and the snapshots do show on the bottom. So I'm going to load a file. A sample file is available on the left-hand side. This link, Get Sample Data, you can download and then load back into the interface by clicking the Load File button. So I'm going to click the Load File button, and I'm going to select the file, and it loads in the interface. The main project area, the main project loads, and along the snapshot you can see yellow arrows at the bottom. So this interface is to explore a network of networks. This scenario of planning was meant to explore different variations on a project, but this one is to dive multiple hierarchies deep. You can see the purple arrows are related, are sub-projects that are connected to activities. An activity is an arrow, but it can also be a larger project. So when I click on the purple arrow, you can see up here the activity that's associated with it gets highlighted, and I can click around to see those sub-projects. If I click on another project, the project loads in the main interface, and the purple arrows get updated. So you see the sub-project specific to the one loaded. And you also see a P for parent. This is the parent project for this sub-project that you're currently viewing. So in this interface, what you can do is tag. Tagging is a feature for this page. And to do this, there's a lasso tool which you can activate on the left-hand side. And now I can outline nodes to select activities. So I have these activities selected, and I can create a tag group. And then you click on a tag group to create tags. And now I can click on a tag and assign the tag to activities. And so you can see that the arrows have turned green because they have the tag associated with them. I can select different arrows here. I'll show it one more time. I can click the yellow tag, click Assign to Activities, and the arrows turn yellow. So you can have multiple tag groups. For example, if you wanted to assign resources as tags, or if you have roles for activities or skills necessary for activities, like this allows you to choose whatever information you want and associate it with the individual activities and arrows. And so the lasso tool also provides us a way to sub-project. So we have your project drawn here, and I can select a bunch of self-contained nodes and activities, meaning they have one start node and one end node, and there's no internal connections with other activities. So this is sub-projectable. So if I click on Extract Sub-Project, you can see that all of those activities and all of those nodes have been abstracted out into one arrow. And if you look back down at the snapshots, the sub-project has been added to the list. And you can see it's a purple arrow because it is now a sub-project for this activity. So if I select that purple arrow, the new arrow that was created gets highlighted. Yeah, so this is the network analysis interface, and it allows you to play with multiple hierarchies of projects. You can simplify projects, large projects into more easily digestible ones, and then have sub-projects represent the internal activities. So that's it for network analysis. Thank you.